Okay, hello creditpreneurs, welcome back to the channel. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to get more videos like this. Hit that bell to notify you of new and upcoming products and features and financial options that I do post as much as I can when they do appear. So hit that bell, subscribe, and if you want, help out the algorithm, all right? So listen, I'll bring this to you guys here. CreditStrong is back. CreditStrong never left. But what I'm saying is, it looks like they have some updates for 2023. Logged into my CreditStrong account, and there are new options, there are new features, and there are new products from them. So let's get right into it. All right, so first off, let's show you how it used to be. All right, so before I get into what is new, let me just refresh a few of the old things that I know so you're familiar with. If you've used CreditStrong before or you've seen similar videos about CreditStrong, one of their best products or their most powerful products they did have on file was the Magnum CreditStrong account, which did show as a personal loan to the credit bureaus, and you paid that over time. It was a term loan that once you have made all the payments, they then give you that lump sum, give you the loan at the end, right? Which is a normal thing, but they had two options. They had the $5,000 option and the $10,000 option, right? So with the 5,000, you were paying monthly $55 a month, and for the 10,000, you're paying $110 a month, and that showed up as a $10,000 loan or a $5,000 loan. Pretty simple stuff. They had a third one when they first came out. I think it was for 25,000 or 20,000. I gotta look that up. If you guys know what that amount was, just write comments below. Just hey, the third amount was this, but they no longer have that, and that's fine. We're moving on to bigger, better things. But this is what they have had, and even what I currently use. I currently use the $10,000 option to help boost my U.S. credit. So with that, going to the new stuff, they still have installment loans, which is fine, right? This is your build credit and savings. 28 a month, and a $1,000 installment account is reported. $1,010. For $30 a month, a $1,100 installment is reported, and for $48, a $1,000 installment is reported. That's for 24 months, short term, 36 months, 48 months. Okay, that's not really out of the ordinary. Now they have a CS Max option, so CreditStrong Max. They've changed the name of their Magnum, so now it's Max. But there's a few other options here. So now they have one for $49 a month, which is different than the original one we had here. The lowest one they had was $55 a month for a $5,000 credit rating showing. Now it's $49 a month for $2,500. Up the prices now. $90 a month for $5,000. So before you used to get $55 a month for $5,000. Now it's almost doubled in price. So should have gone that train earlier. I'm glad I did. So far. But again, the one I'm paying for is $10,000, which is this right here. $1,000 installment account reported for $199 a month. And I'm still, I guess, grandfathered in on the old Magnum option, which was $110. So it's an extra $80, $89 thrown on top for the same product. So I'm glad I jumped in. But now they have another one here for $449 a month. $449 a month for $25,000 installment report. A $25,000 installed account reported. Installment account report. Today, not my day. I've been trying to say things today, and it just ain't coming out right. Don't know if it's Monday. And it's a rough weekend or what have you. Anyways, so one last time here. For $449 a month, you get a $25,000 installment account reported to your credit bureaus. Okay? Now, that's huge. That's a lot of money, though. That's not something everyone can afford, right? Now, again, this is a loan that you do get back. So let's look into this a little bit. So Do you report to all of your credit bureaus? Yes. So that would be in the U.S. Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. All right. So those are the ones in the U.S. that do get reported. Can I pop my account early? Yeah, sure you can. Perfect. Is my account FDIC insured? Yes, it is. All right. Will I get funds today? No. This is something you get after you pay the loan. So you pay it first. Make your payments first, and then you get the loan versus getting the loan and make your payments back. Is there a hard pull on my credit? No, there's not. None at all. Can I spend the loan funds? No, you can't. I mean, once you get it at the end, you can do whatever you want with it. It's now your money. But that's how that works there. I just want to see here. Learn more. Boom. I was going to learn more. Boom. I love it. CreditStrong, and it shows a skyline of Toronto. Even though it's a US based company for US citizens with a SIN number, or even foreigners with an ITIN. That's the one thing I will mention. CreditStrong will accept ITIN. So if you are a foreign national, or you do not reside in the U.S. but you have an ITIN because you do either do business or some sort of work or profit in the U.S. and you have an ITIN number in place of a social security number, a lot of lenders do not accept ITINs, and I get that. I go through that same thing all the time. Some banks and some lenders do, like Chase, Bank of America, Capital One, and one of the struggles I found as a Canadian trying to build credit in the U.S. was a lot of these fintechs that help build your credit or use this to help boost your credit, blah blah blah, didn't accept ITINs. Whether their system didn't accept it or they just didn't accept it as a business. Recently, a lot more have been popping up that do, and I'm happy for that. It does help us who don't necessarily reside in the U.S., but CreditStrong is one of them. CreditStrong is great. They help build that credit. So if you are Canadian, and I love the skyline, big up Toronto, big up the Six. I'm wearing Montreal hat though. I know this is hot right now. There's a bit of a rivalry there between the two towns. But anyways, back to a serious note. They do take social security numbers. They do take ITINs for those who are foreign. And this is so let's go back to the Magnum package here. That's where we're looking at the Magnum package on what they offer, who's Magnum for. So it's still called Magnum, I guess. I guess they haven't changed the name. And it still shows the two old Magnum plans, 55 and 110. So I'm not sure what they're trying to show me here. Maybe they haven't fully integrated these changes yet, because you hit learn more and it takes you to the Magnum options. So again, this is definitely brand spanking new. If you can still apply for the Magnum options, I say do it now while you still can, because I don't see any information on the CreditStrong Max accounts here, right? I don't see nothing. I don't see any. It just jumps me here to the Magnum. So if this is going to be the new change, CS Max accounts, and you have $49.99, $199, and $449, the better deal obviously is the current two Magnums. So if I wanted to build my credit, again, this is not a loan per se, so you're not like getting money and then spending it frivolously. This is a commitment that you are making payments to this company for a period of time. And again, you can quit whenever you want. You can quit when you're 2 months in. You can quit when you're 3 months in. You can quit at the end of the term. It doesn't matter. But you put that time in, that money in on a monthly basis, and you get that out. You get that money back to you. Not all of it. I'll find the numbers for that as well. They have some of that here. The table for that. Oh yeah, I already had the table out for you earlier. But anyways, at the end of that, how much you get paid, I will look into that again. I have mine. I'll log into mine and check the numbers on that. But it's a loan that you make your payments, you get that back, and it's a lot safer than taking out a real loan, right? And you're not stuck with this money that you're going to spend recklessly or what have you. But it is made to help build your credit. That's her whole purpose. The purpose is to build your credit at the end of the day, but it is to help build your credit. That is your sole purpose, but you do get the money back at the end, so that is also great. A great feature there. So okay, so I was able to bring up the CX Max page. I had to go backdoor way to get here, so I couldn't get there directly from the site. So again, if you can still sign up with the Magnum packages, while they're still that price. If they're an option for you, get them. But the CX Max, a little bit more pricier. But again, let's see quickly kind of what they cover, how it works. Apply for an account, pick your plan, monthly payments, cancel any time, perfect. Build up credit history, just like the Magnum. No difference there. Great for you. Large personal loan, high credit limits. Maximize your credit report, not just your score. Which again, you're beefing up your report with more items on there, more trades. You are the sole prop business owner without any AIN. Is this for? No, it's not for business because it's right. Yeah, it's for personal. Okay. Best for you if you plan to buy a home, apply for a home, limited budgets, maximize building your savings, build your own credit. Okay, that's fine. How will it help me? All right, CX Max accounts can help account holders who want to demonstrate their ability to reliably repay large credit obligations. Yeah, so it just shows credit history. You make your payments, shows good on your reports. Lenders will be like, this guy pays his stuff, or this gal pays her stuff. All right, to work great with their products. Okay, credit mix, that's great. Adding in revolving accounts, CX Max can enhance your credit mix. Perfect. So, is this counted as a revolving account then? The CX Max? That might be it. So, oh no, it says installment account right here. So, adding a revolve account to CX Max can. Oh, adding a revolve account to the CX Max. I got you. So, yeah, they're saying in addition to. But yeah, it's still an installment account. Yep, they're right here, $49 a month for a 2,500 installment account. You know, $99 a month for 5,000, $199 for 10,000, and $449 for 25,000. And again, the current Magnum one is $110 for 10,000. So if you can get the Magnum plans first, I'd say go that way. Nothing here seems any different than what the Magnum provides. Just, build 60 months of history, cancel only time without penalty, pay this much to get this much. At the end of the day, you get it back. Or yeah, well, you pay the interest to them. They're getting interest, but you get what you've put in back with a couple fees. But you're looking at about the same back end. Is there a table for this, or are they going to take me to the right place? Okay, yeah, no, it's here. That's right. That's good. All right. Administration fee of $25, which is pretty normal for them. Everything is that admin fee of $25 is on par with these guys. 60 months. It's a long scroll. Okay, yeah. So yeah, it's again the new CreditStrong. They're getting popular. People are liking them. People are using them. They're up in their ante with a few more options that are a little bit more pricier. But if you are serious about your credit, serious about improving your credit, you got to go, I guess, one of these things to help that way. If you have no credit history, I mean, if you are getting credit otherwise for things you already need, like car payments, student loan, even credit cards that you don't use and drive up on a high amount, get that mix in there, right? And then if mortgages come into play, that's great. You may not need something like this. You probably won't. But if you are someone who is trying to build new credit, you can afford something like this as well. Like, it's always put to account, can you afford this? The good side is you can cancel anytime, but it does help build credit and your credit history moving forward. So it's something good to have for a year or so. That is all I have for this. Yeah, this was the $449. That's a spicy meatball right there. I'll tell you that much. But if it's just for your credit, if you make enough money, if this does not phase you, but you have no credit, I say go for this. Whether you go for the full term or you go for a solid 6 to 8 months, you go for 12 months. Yeah, just get some of that credit history in. If you do cancel, you do get majority of that principal back. Talk to the agent, give them a call, talk to them online, just ask more specifics on how much you put in, when can you cancel, what times, and they'll be happy to help you out. Okay, so talk to you guys later. Thanks for tuning in. Again, like, subscribe, see more videos like this covering credit, finances, etc. in Canada and the US and the UK. talk to me, hit me up, and leave any comments down low. If you currently have a CreditStrong account, how is it working for you? Are you using it? Did you cancel it? If you already have the Magnum, or if this CX, sorry, this I can't remember the name of it already. Just it's so new. The CS Max account is something that you would probably prefer, and there are reasons why. All right, so down below, I'll leave a link down below again for CreditStrong as well. You can check it out through there, through my link. It is affiliate link. Check them out, see what you like, and all right, and see you on the next video. All right, I'm out.